Eat, thoughts, eat.
So, Jonathan, I'm just going to have you scoot over this way just a little bit for me. Leah, you're perfect right there. You just put your arms up. And we're just going to rub Timbit on his back. There we go.
Too soft?
Isn't he soft and smooth?
Yeah.
What does he feel like? I get told he feels like a wet hot dog sometimes.
He's cute.
Yeah. That was awesome. What do you think?
Fantastic.
Awesome job. All right. So what I'm going to have you guys do is back it up for me. And Timbit's going to bring out this hoop. Alright? You guys are going to hang on to either side of this hoop. Make Timbit like face down. Okay, you're going to swing a little bit further backwards for me. Alright, right there is good. You're going to hang on to this hoop like so. Timbit will be jumping through the hoop. You do not want to be in the hoop. Okay? Otherwise, it is a very tight squeeze. All right. You guys ready for it?
Yes.
He's going to bring this out to you. He's such a good little boy. Oh, looks like he's got a crush on Leah. There he goes. We like to rub it in Jonathan's face too. You see that? He looks right at Jonathan like, hey.
Is it okay like this?
You can raise that hoop up higher, kind of like sword. And you can hold on with both hands for me and keep those arms all the way straight. There you go. All right, here comes Timbit. Are you guys ready? You got to cheer for him. 1, 2, and 3. Come on, Timbit. Woo! Come on, Timbit. You can do it.
Yeah.
Wow, over his face. Who's proud of you? I'm proud of you. All right, you guys go ahead and set that hoop down for me.